went to download and install the Android FamilyLink for children and teens, and wouldn't you know it, it's not compatible on that device. Hi there, Michael Prince here with BecauseFamily.org and FamilyTechBlog.com. I recently helped a family out setting up their Android tablets for their kids and ran into a little issue that I knew was a possibility, but I wanted to just kind of warn parents about, because it's something that is very easy, a mistake that's very easy to make. I went in to set up one of these brand new tablets, just bought from Walmart less than a month ago. I took it out of the box, this Galaxy tablet, little 7-incher. I started setting it up, set up the account, went to download and install the Android FamilyLink for children and teens, and wouldn't you know it, it's not compatible on that device. So I do a little more digging. I look up the operating system. This device, bought brand new from Walmart only 3 weeks ago, is only running Android 4 with no updates available. Here is the problem with that. As parents, we want to buy an affordable device for our kids that they can use without breaking the bank. We don't need a $300 iPad. We don't need a $300, $400 device, Android device. We want to buy something that's affordable. So they paid $70 for a decent little 7-inch Galaxy Tab, but they didn't realize that it ran an old version of Android, and therefore the parental controls that they were so into using, and so much so that they called me to come help them set it up, those parental controls were not even available on that device because they're not backwards compatible like that. I understand there's issues with backwards compatibility, which means making new software work on older devices. I understand that there's issues with that. I understand it's not easy to make that work. I've actually spoken with one of the executives from Google about that, and his comment was that it's important to them and they're doing everything they can to make it work as best they can on older devices. That's partly because the software is difficult to manage if it's on older devices. The other reason it's not backwards compatible a lot of times is because they want you to buy the newer product. They don't want you to hand down your old devices. They want you to buy something new. And so making these features only available on the new ones makes it to where you want to buy the new product instead of handing down the old ones. But FamilyLink is a good service. It's very helpful. It's very good for parents. But I had to send this couple back to Walmart to trade in this device, get a newer, more expensive device for their child, and then we can set up parental controls. So I just want to warn you, check out what operating system your device can run by Googling the model number that's on the back by the barcode, by looking it up through the box and the specs on the box, and Walmart's website or Best Buy's website or wherever you're buying it from. Check out those specifications on what operating system it can run, because if it can't run 7 or newer, 7 or higher, 7, that's the lowest it can run. If it can't run version 7, it can't run FamilyLink, which is the free parental control, time restriction, filtering, monitoring apps that are available through Android. It can't run those if it's older than a 7.0. So check that out. Be sure you're not looking at the size. 9.6 is the inches of the screen and 7.0 is the inches of the screen sometimes. Make sure you're looking in the specifications, Android version, and what's the number. If the number is lower than 7, don't buy that for your child, because it's not going to be compatible with the built-in Android FamilyLink parental controls. Hopefully that helps you as you go buy some stuff, or maybe you've already bought stuff and you need to return what you bought and get something newer. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Michael Prince from BecauseFamily.org and FamilyTechBlog.com.
Hi, I'd like to thank you for watching our videos. I just wanted to let you know that Because Family is a non-profit organization. All money donated to Because Family goes to help families be internet smart and safe. So if you'd like to donate, you can go to BecauseFamily.org/partnership and give to help us keep doing that. Thanks a lot.